President of the Federal Republic of Somalia, Dr. Hassan Sheikh Mohamud, called on the Somali people to contribute $1 per person to the National Defense and Liberation Program to help liberate the country from the Kharajist Al-Shabaab. This move is intended to speed up the operations to eliminate the menace of Al-Shabaab and give the people the opportunity to play more roles in the ongoing operation, as most of them have already been part of the ongoing military operations. The Prime Minister of the Federal Government of Somalia, His Excellency Hamza Abdi Barre, held a meeting in Mogadishu with the Banadil Regional Administration, District Commissioners, and the regional commissioners and the regional security chiefs to discuss ways of beefing up the security of the capital. The Prime Minister urged the officials to speed up the security and stabilization of the capital Mogadishu and come up with new plans to prevent the Kharajitis from causing any harm to the public. The officials have promised to redouble their activities and apply cooperation and collaboration to ensure the security of the capital Mogadishu. The National Anti-Money Laundering and Combating Terrorist Financing Committee, NAMLEC, yesterday on February 14, 2023, issued provisions to strengthen the fight against the Al-Shabaab. Among the 10 points issued by the committee, we can mention 2 of them as follows. All telecommunication companies and mobile money service providers are required to register their new customers, and at least a photograph and fingerprints must be kept for each customer to register a new SIM card. And those who have already received SIM cards in the past must be re-registered within a period not exceeding 90 days, in accordance with Article 5 of Anti-Money Laundering and Terrorist Financing Act. The committee informs Somali citizens to avoid any action that may help criminals, especially money laundering and terrorist financing. Money laundering and terrorist financing are serious crimes under the 2nd and 3rd articles of Anti-Money Laundering Terrorist Financing Act of the Somali Constitution. The federal government of Somalia is planning to reopen the military training